The code M2503 in a Bobcat machine means traction pull relay error off. First of all, the traction pull system engages and disengages the brakes when needed. The system may be different in various Bobcat models and have numerous functions and scenarios of how it works, but still the system will consist of the traction pull solenoid, traction pull relay, fuse, and also wiring between all these units and the controller. Basically, the code M2503 directly says that the problem is in the relay, but sometimes the code may be wrong, and some other units of the traction pull control system may need to be checked. So where is the traction pull relay? Let's look at the fuse box of the Bobcat S185 model. The traction pull relay is located here. As you see, it's identical to many other relays, so to check the work of the relay, you may swap it with any other identical relay in the fuse box, or just buy a new one and check if the code goes away. But please don't forget that the power in this relay is also controlled by the fuse. This is the fuse marked as traction in the fuse box here. I would just install the new fuse with the same amps, just to make sure the problem is not with the fuse, since it's quite a common cause. If you have no luck with the relay or the fuse, the most likely culprit for the M2503 code is wiring or connections. You should inspect the connections in the fuse box, but if you can't see the problem, this is not a DIY job anymore. You should find a mechanic who can inspect the wiring or locate the problem with the traction lock solenoid or the controller.